The ocean is full of life. It is a magical place. We find incredible creatures there. They come in all shapes and sizes. Whales sing to each other. Sharks are older than dinosaurs. Coral reefs teem with colorful life. These animals are important to us. We must protect them. The ocean is a delicate balance. Everything is connected. From the smallest plankton to the largest whale, every creature plays a part. Let's explore this watery world together. Get ready to meet some amazing animals. Whales are the largest animals on Earth. The blue whale is bigger than any dinosaur. They are gentle giants. They eat tiny creatures called krill. Whales swim in every ocean. They migrate long distances. They have families and look after each other. Some whales sing beautiful songs. Dolphins are part of the whale family. They are very clever. Dolphins can learn tricks. They communicate with clicks and whistles. Whales and dolphins need our help. They get caught in fishing nets. They are affected by pollution. We must protect these amazing creatures. Sharks are amazing fish. They are often portrayed as mindless killers in movies and media, but the reality is far more fascinating and complex. These creatures have evolved over millions of years to become some of the most efficient predators in the ocean. They've been around for millions of years. Fossil evidence shows that sharks have existed for over 400 million years, even before the dinosaurs roamed the Earth. Their ancient lineage makes them one of the oldest surviving species on the planet. There are many different types of sharks. With over 500 species, sharks come in a variety of shapes and sizes, each adapted to their unique environments. From the peculiar hammerhead to the sleek mako, each species has its own role in the marine ecosystem. Some are big, some are small. The whale shark, the largest fish in the sea, can grow up to 40 feet long, while the tiny dwarf lantern shark is only about 8 inches. Despite their size differences, all sharks play a crucial role in maintaining the health of the ocean. Sharks are important for the ocean. They help keep marine populations in check, ensuring that no single species dominates the ecosystem. This balance is vital for the health of coral reefs and other marine habitats. They keep the ecosystem in balance. By preying on the sick and weak, sharks prevent the spread of disease and promote the genetic health of marine populations. Their presence is a sign of a healthy ocean. They are at the top of the food chain. As apex predators, sharks have few natural enemies. This position allows them to regulate the populations of other marine animals, which in turn affects the entire food web. They keep other fish populations healthy. By controlling the numbers of species that would otherwise overpopulate, sharks help maintain the diversity and abundance of marine life. People are often afraid of sharks. This fear is largely unfounded, as shark attacks on humans are extremely rare. In fact, you're more likely to be struck by lightning than to be bitten by a shark. But most sharks are harmless to humans. Many species are shy and avoid human contact. Nurse sharks, for example, are gentle bottom dwellers that pose no threat to people. Only a few species are dangerous. The great white, tiger and bull sharks are responsible for the majority of attacks, but even these incidents are rare and often a case of mistaken identity. We should respect sharks, not fear them. By understanding their behavior and importance, we can coexist peacefully with these incredible creatures. Divers and researchers often swim with sharks without any harm, demonstrating that they are not the mindless killers they are made out to be. Sharks are threatened by overfishing. Every year, millions of sharks are killed for their fins, which are used in shark fin soup, a delicacy in some cultures. This practice is unsustainable and has led to a dramatic decline in shark populations. People hunt them for their fins. The demand for shark fins has created a lucrative but destructive industry. Fins are often cut off while the shark is still alive, and the rest of the body is discarded back into the ocean, left to die. This is cruel and damages the ocean. The removal of sharks from the ecosystem has far-reaching consequences, leading to the decline of coral reefs and the collapse of local fisheries. The loss of these apex predators disrupts the balance of marine life. We must protect sharks so they can survive. Conservation efforts are crucial to ensure the survival of these magnificent creatures. By supporting sustainable fishing practices and protecting shark habitats, we can help preserve the delicate balance of our oceans for future generations. Coral reefs are like underwater cities. They are full of color and life. Thousands of different fish live in coral reefs. Reef fish are very diverse. Some are brightly colored, others are camouflaged. Some are tiny, others are quite large. Each species has a special role to play. Clownfish live in anemones, parrotfish crunch on coral, butterfly fish flit amongst the rocks. The reef is a busy and fascinating place. Coral reefs are threatened by pollution and climate change. We must protect these important habitats. They are home to a quarter of all marine life. Section 5. Clever cephalopods, masters of disguise. Octopuses, squid, and cuttlefish are cephalopods. These fascinating creatures belong to a class of mollusks known for their remarkable abilities and complex behaviors. They are very intelligent animals. Studies have shown that cephalopods possess problem-solving skills, can navigate mazes, and even use tools, showcasing their advanced cognitive abilities. They have excellent eyesight and can change color. This ability is not just for camouflage, but also for communication and signaling to other cephalopods. Octopuses have 8 arms covered in suckers. These suckers are incredibly strong and sensitive, allowing them to grasp objects, explore their environment, and even taste what they touch. They can squeeze into tiny spaces. Thanks to their soft, boneless bodies, octopuses can contort themselves to fit through openings much smaller than their body size, making them elusive escape artists. They are masters of camouflage. By manipulating the pigments in their skin, octopuses can blend seamlessly into their surroundings, avoiding predators and sneaking up on prey. They can disappear in a cloud of ink. This ink not only obscures the octopus from view, but also contains substances that can dull a predator's sense of smell, providing an effective escape mechanism. Squid are known for their speed. With their streamlined bodies and powerful jet propulsion, they can dart through the water at impressive speeds to evade predators or catch prey. They have streamlined bodies and powerful tentacles. These tentacles are equipped with suckers and hooks, making them formidable hunters in the ocean depths. They can change color rapidly to communicate and confuse predators. This rapid color change is controlled by specialized cells in their skin called chromatophores, allowing them to send signals or create dazzling displays. Cuttlefish have a special bone called a cuttlebone. This internal structure is porous and helps them control their buoyancy, allowing them to hover effortlessly in the water. This helps them control their buoyancy. By adjusting the gas-to-liquid ratio within the cuttlebone, cuttlefish can move up and down in the water column with ease. They can hover in the water and change color to match their surroundings. This ability not only aids in camouflage but also in hunting, as they can ambush prey by blending into the background. Section 6. The Symphony of the Seas. Communication under the waves. The ocean is a vast and mysterious place, teeming with life and activity. Beneath the waves, a complex network of communication exists, allowing marine creatures to interact in ways that are both fascinating and essential for their survival. Animals in the ocean communicate in fascinating ways. From the smallest shrimp to the largest whales, each species has developed unique methods to convey messages, find mates, and navigate their environment. This underwater symphony is a testament to the ingenuity and adaptability of marine life. They use sound, light, and even touch. For instance, bioluminescent creatures emit light to communicate in the dark depths of the ocean. This light can be used to attract mates, ward off predators, or even lure prey. The ability to produce light is a remarkable adaptation that highlights the creativity of nature. Whales sing songs that travel for miles underwater. These songs are not just random noises, they are complex vocalizations that can convey a wealth of information. Humpback whales, for example, are known for their long, haunting songs that can last for hours. These songs are believed to play a role in mating rituals and social bonding. Dolphins use clicks and whistles to find food and talk to each other. Their sophisticated echolocation abilities allow them to navigate murky waters, locate prey, and communicate with their pod members. Each dolphin has a unique signature whistle, much like a name, which helps them identify and call out to each other. Fish use their swim bladders to make noises. These sounds can serve various purposes, such as attracting mates, deterring predators, or establishing territory. The diversity of sounds produced by fish is astonishing, ranging from grunts and croaks to pops and clicks. Crabs drum their claws on the seabed. This drumming can be a form of communication, signaling to other crabs about territory or mating readiness. Some animals use bioluminescence. This means they can produce their own light, a feature that is particularly useful in the dark, deep-sea environments where sunlight cannot penetrate. This means they can produce their own light. Bioluminescence is not just for show. It serves critical functions such as camouflage, attraction, and communication. For example, some species of jellyfish use their glowing tentacles to lure prey, while others use light to blend into the shimmering surface of the water, avoiding detection by predators. Deep-sea creatures use this to attract mates or scare off predators. The deep ocean is a world of perpetual darkness, and bioluminescence provides a way for these creatures to interact with their environment and each other. The light produced can be a beacon of attraction or a warning signal, depending on the context. Communication is essential for survival in the ocean. It helps animals find food, avoid danger, and reproduce. Without these communication methods, many marine species would struggle to survive in the vast and often hostile ocean environment. Animals use it to find food, avoid danger, and reproduce. For instance, sea turtles rely on subtle cues from the environment to navigate back to their nesting beaches. Similarly, many fish species use pheromones to signal reproductive readiness, ensuring the continuation of their species. The ocean is a symphony of sound and light. This intricate web of communication is a testament to the resilience and adaptability of marine life. As we continue to explore and understand these underwater interactions, we gain a deeper appreciation for the complexity and beauty of life beneath the waves. Section 7. Threats to our oceans, pollution and climate change. Our oceans are in danger. Pollution is a major threat. Plastic waste is choking the seas. Chemicals are poisoning marine life. Climate change is another big problem. The ocean is getting warmer. This is harming coral reefs and other marine habitats. Sea levels are rising. Overfishing is also a serious threat. We are taking too many fish from the sea. This disrupts the balance of the ocean ecosystem. These threats are putting the future of our oceans at risk. We must act now to protect them. Section 8. Protecting our oceans, a shared responsibility. We can all help to protect our oceans. We need to reduce our use of plastic. We should recycle and dispose of waste responsibly. We can support sustainable fishing practices, choose seafood that has been caught or farmed sustainably. This will help protect fish stocks. We can learn more about the ocean and the threats it faces. Share your knowledge with others. Encourage your friends and family to make ocean-friendly choices. We can support organizations that are working to protect marine life. Every little bit helps. Section 9. The future of our oceans. Hope for the future. The future of our oceans depends on us. If we act now, we can make a difference. We can restore our oceans to health. We can create marine reserves. These are protected areas where marine life can thrive. This will help to conserve biodiversity. We can develop new technologies to clean up pollution and combat climate change. We can all be part of the solution. The ocean is a precious resource. It provides us with food, oxygen, and recreation. Let's work together to protect it for future generations.